For our two businesses, we interviewed Artistic Builders Company here in Maui and the Toa Luau Company on Oahu, which is one of the best luau's on the island. Artistic Builders, the CEO talked to us a lot about how important his employees were to him and how his employees were his most important asset, that taking care of his employees was one of his most important responsibilities. He said that as he takes good care of his employees take good care of his clients and his projects. It was inspiring to me to learn about how much he cared about his employees and their families and taking good care of them. He talked about how difficult it was to find good quality employees who would stay with the company for a long term, and how much money he was saved by training one employee and then them staying with the company, and how important it is to treat those employees well. The co-owner of Toa Luau talked to us a lot about learning more and how he's a conglomeration of all of his knowledge that he's gained so far. He said that everything he's learned from creating his first business, he's used in his current business. It was insightful to me to learn that he's always looking for new ideas and new businesses he can start, and that for him, this isn't an end point. It's just one point among all of his in his life, and the knowledge that he's accumulated so far is helping him to continue to be a great business owner and be able to be a great leader. It was, I think, the most important thing that I've learned from all of the interviews that we've had is prioritizing my time. Both of the people we interviewed were extremely busy with church and their families and especially their jobs and as business owners. And I think time management for their own personal time is extremely important, because I know for me, I tend to try and do everything myself, that I'm always trying to take all the responsibilities on, and I have a hard time delegating out jobs to other people. But as a CEO, you can't do it all yourself, because your jobs are so important that they need to be done well, and you need to allocate enough time to do all of your jobs as a CEO well, so you can't be doing all of these side jobs and doing other people's jobs. And I think that was the most insightful thing, most important best practice I've learned over the last couple of weeks.